Alright, let's set up the cloud shadow for our next one. If you go to your tileset default and to your cloud shadow, we'll have a cloud image that we can use for it. So the cloud image, if you click on it, this is going to be what shows up. Basically, the idea behind the cloud shadow is it's going to create this image. It has the option to have repeating patterns, but it'll go across the whole screen. So if you're doing something like an RPG and you want to just have a environment type of effect to it where you see clouds from above, or the shadows from it hitting the ground plane, then you can use it for those. For the first part though, we'll go ahead and just click on the name and say cloud shadow here. And in description, let's just say it's a image. We'll do apply to, let's see, image applied to top of all others. Alright, and then general setting. This isn't the image when we place it in, similar to like the skies. We just want it to be in, the effect of it is going to be applied to another image. So we're just going to turn this one off. If you want to see it, like if you're putting it in the scene and you just need to see where it is, then you could turn it on and use that. We'll change our thumbnail to on right there. Collision, I'll turn off the collider for this. Alright. When it comes to the rest of the properties, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see you've got a couple of options right here. You have the cloud shadow settings, and then you have the color for the cloud shadow. By default, the option is enabled, which is what you want it to do to have it where it starts off. Cloud tiling is saying that you want it to tile 15 by 15, so we're actually going to be tiling it quite a few more times, but the overall image is so large that you'll get the consistency, you'll get the shape and size you're looking for. The wind speed, I'm going to slow this down just a little bit here. You don't need to go as fast as 15. This is going to be saying X and Y so that you're going to have it coming at an angle. If you set 1 to 0, then you can have it going straight across. Alright, there is an option for using the cloud for all cameras on start, and you can use this one. The last thing we want to do is just set the color of it. I'm actually going to make this more of a darker gray. We'll just kind of go for, we'll try for around the 50 plus range. Let's see, somewhere around there. Yeah, that'll look good. So just a dark gray cloud color that'll actually go across it. The intensity is just going to be how, basically the alpha, how bright is it hitting. We'll go for about 50% visibility on it. Alright, so that's going to be our setup for our clouds. And again, when you drop this in, then you'll have a cloud that actually just goes across the scene and covers everything in the impression of a cloud moving across.